The Big Bang theory is still in the realm of speculation, but there is an increasing amount of evidence that supports it. Scientists actually think that microwave background radiation that is coming from deepest space is a form of echo from the Big Bang. Essentially, what the theory says is that about 14 to 15 billion years ago, the universe and all matter and energy in it was infinitely dense and hot and took up zero space at a point called a singularity. The universe then exploded in the Big Bang. Cosmologists believe that the universe was formed in this instant along with all forms of matter and energy as well as space and time. With the Big Bang, the universe immediately began to expand outward at tremendous speed. As it expanded, it cooled, and the rate of expansion began to slow. Matter separated into a type of quark soup of seething quarks, leptons, bosons, and other elementary particles. Around the first tens of microseconds, quarks began to condense into protons and neutrons. By 1 second, the expansion caused the temperature to drop to about 1 billion degrees, and during the next 3 minutes, protons and neutrons combined, creating the first nuclei of hydrogen and helium. It took another 300,000 years before expansion brought the temperature down to a few thousand degrees, and the electrons were attracted to the nuclei to form atoms. The vast majority of the atoms, which formed at this time, were hydrogen and helium that have the simplest atomic structure. 1 billion years after the Big Bang, when the universe was only about 1/5 of the size it is today, gravity began to sweep matter into clusters of dense masses, which became galaxies. As the hydrogen atoms were forced closer and closer together with the pressure of gravity, they became hot, and fusion spontaneously began. Stars were born in this process, radiating light in the form of electromagnetic waves. In time, many of the stars began to die as they burned up all of their fuel. Some stars collapsed under their own gravity and exploded into supernovas, and their matter spewed out into space, forming new atoms, stars, and planets. The universe continues to expand, and as the galaxies move further and further apart, the universe continues to cool.